Discover the elite warriors whose unparalleled skill and fearless precision make them the world's most formidable special ops. We're about to dive headfirst into the world of the most elite special operations forces on the planet. These are the guys who operate in the shadows, the tip of the spear, facing down danger that would make most people crumble and fall. We're talking about the best of the best, the ones who train harder, think smarter, and operate with a level of precision and guts that's almost superhuman. These are the warriors who take on missions that seem impossible, the ones who volunteer to go where others won't. So buckle up, because we're about to get down and dirty with the top 5 special ops teams in the world. Get ready to be amazed by their skills, their courage, and their unwavering commitment to getting the job done, no matter the cost. Welcome to our countdown of the world's most elite special operations teams. These are the units that go above and beyond, executing the most dangerous and critical missions. First up, we've got the United States Navy SEALs. These guys are the epitome of mental and physical toughness. We're talking about enduring some of the most grueling training on the planet. Hell Week, Bud S, you name it. They push themselves to the absolute limit, and then they push some more. And it's not just about physical strength. These guys are masters of stealth, demolition, reconnaissance. You name it, they can do it. They train for every possible scenario, in every possible environment, from the scorching desert to the freezing Arctic, and they've got the track record to prove it. The raid on Osama bin Laden's compound, SEAL Team 6, Operation Red Wings in Afghanistan, SEALs. These guys are the real deal, and they've earned their place at the top of the special ops food chain. Next, we're heading across the pond to meet the British SS, the granddaddies of modern special forces. These guys practically invented the playbook on covert operations. Their motto, who dares wins, and trust me, they live by it. Selection for the SAS is brutal. We're talking about a grueling test of endurance, navigation and combat skills, all while sleep deprived and under immense pressure. Only a tiny fraction of candidates make the cut, but those who do are the elite of the elite. The SAS is renowned for its role in hostage rescue, counterterrorism and covert operations. Remember the Iranian embassy siege in London? The SAS stormed the building and took down the terrorists live on television. Legendary stuff. Next, we're venturing into the heart of Russia to meet the Spetsnaz, a force shrouded in secrecy and whispered about in hushed tones. These guys are known for their incredible resilience, their mastery of hand-to-hand combat, and their ability to disappear into thin air. Spetsnaz training is notoriously harsh, pushing recruits to their physical and mental breaking points. We're talking about extreme cold, sleep deprivation, and constant psychological pressure. Their mission? To mold them into unbreakable warriors. And they've been involved in some of the most intense conflicts in recent history, from Chechnya to Syria. Their tactics are often brutal and uncompromising, reflecting the unforgiving environments they train in. The Spetsnaz are a force to be reckoned with, a true embodiment of Russia's military might. Let's shift focus to Israel, home to Sayeret Matkal, a unit so secretive their missions are often only whispered about long after they've happened. These are the ghosts in the machine, the silent protectors of Israel. Known for their intelligence-gathering skills and surgical strikes, Sayeret Matkal operates deep behind enemy lines, often disguised and speaking the local language fluently. They are masters of deception and misdirection, and they've pulled off some of the most daring rescues in history. Take Operation Entebbe, for example. When terrorists hijacked a plane full of hostages in Uganda, Sayeret Matkal flew thousands of miles and stormed the airport, rescuing over 100 hostages. Talk about a long-distance rescue mission. And finally, we come to the most secretive of them all, the United States Army's Delta Force. These guys are the stuff of legends, their existence barely acknowledged by the US government. They recruit from the best of the best, handpicking soldiers from the Green Berets, Rangers, and other elite units. Their training is shrouded in secrecy, but rumors abound of intense psychological evaluations, live-fire exercises that blur the lines between training and reality. and a constant pressure to excel. Delta Force is deployed to the most high-stakes counter-terrorism operations around the globe, often operating in small, highly trained teams. They are the silent guardians, working tirelessly to prevent another 9/11. Their motto says it all, de oppresso liber, to free the oppressed. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of the most elite special operations forces on the planet. These warriors represent the pinnacle of human courage, dedication, and skill. They train in the harshest conditions, operate in the most dangerous environments, and face down challenges that would make most people crumble. They are the silent guardians, the ones who stand ready to defend their nations and their values, no matter the cost. They are the embodiment of bravery, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to their missions. So next time you see a soldier in uniform, take a moment to appreciate the sacrifices they make every single day. And remember the elite few, the special operators who operate in the shadows, protecting our world from the threats we rarely see. They are the true heroes. These teams represent the pinnacle of military excellence, showcasing unparalleled skill, bravery, and dedication. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible content.